If you remember.
Who was the green thing?
I have no idea who the green thing was.
Wait a minute.
We're on the green thing.
Yeah, Louis had, he would hang up. He'd show up all that.
Well, Richard had a lot of fans. I want to read to you one final poem that was written by David Romano. Then we're gonna pray a final prayer together, and then we're going to invite you to go outside with the family, and they are going to release some balloons in memory of Richard outside. And we'll give you more instructions on that. We want to make sure that the family gets the balloons first, and then anyone else after that, okay? David Romano wrote this poem that says, "When tomorrow starts without me." When tomorrow starts without me, I'm not here to see. If the sun should rise and find your eyes all filled with tears for me, I wish you wouldn't cry the way you did today, while thinking of the many things we just didn't get to say. I know how much you love me, as much as I love you. Each time that you think of me, I know you'll miss me too. When tomorrow starts without me, please try to understand that an angel came and called my name, and he took me by the hand. The angel said my place was ready in heaven far above, and that I would have to leave behind all those I dearly love. But when I walked through heaven's gates, I felt so much at home. When God looked down and smiled at me from his golden throne, he said, "This is eternity, and all I promised you. Today for life on earth is done, but here it starts anew. I promise no tomorrow, but the day will always last. And since each day is the exact same way, there'll be no longing for the past. So when tomorrow starts without me, don't think that we're apart. For every time you think of me, remember, I'm right here in your heart." Father, we are indeed
Catching up. Yes. Praise the Lord.
Yes, it's long.
Yes.
No.
That's good. I didn't.
No, I didn't want to.
She did. That was good. He did.
Another one.
Oh,